G'day guys, welcome back to Beats Investing. It's February the 7th, 2024. This is the natural gas price update, including some ETFs and shares such as BOIL, UNG, KOLD. Just be mindful the overall trend is bearish. A key support has been broken, but we've still got potential divergence still in play, so let's look into it. First look at the natural gas commodity price. On the weekly, we're still in a bearish trend with the CCI 400 and the ADX 25 both heading downwards. The CCI 150 is still trending in line with the price. That's our divergence indicator. There were a couple of divergences back here and they pulled back in accordance with that divergence. On the daily, the ADX 25 and the CCI 400 are pretty strongly bearish at the moment. The CCI 150 is still trending in line with the price, although it has broken down through this major support at 2042. And on the hourly, you can see there both the CCI 400 and the ADX are bearish. With the CCI 150, we had previously drawn that divergence, that bullish divergence. It actually hit our target area, but I'm going to still consider it a divergence, considering it a double bottom, if you like, on the CCI 150. Hasn't actually breached below that point there versus the price. The price is making new lows, again breaching that support area. So if this could possibly start bouncing, but if it breaks much lower, then we're going to invalidate that divergence as another failed divergence. ProShares Ultra DJUBS, ticker is BOIL. That's showing a bearish outlook on the weekly, somewhat bullish on the daily on the CCI 400. So that's a bit of a possible divergence in itself. And the CCI 150 as well is moving upwards against the pretty flat trend of the price. So both of them are pretty much bullish divergence. On the daily, bearish on the ADX, still bullish on the CCI 400, and we've got another bullish divergence here on the daily for versus the price. You can see new lows on the price versus higher lows on the CCI 150. And on the hourly chart, bearish on the ADX, pretty strong bearish as well on the CCI 400, and we've still got this bullish divergence still playing out at the moment on the 1 hour chart. United States Natural Gas Fund, UNG, bearish on both the CCI 400 and the ADX, pretty much flat movement on the CCI 150, no divergence to talk of. On the daily chart, bearish on the ADX, flat on the CCI 400, and the CCI 150 is moving pretty much in line with the price. There's a possible slight divergence forming there. So you can see there's lower lows on the price in those bars versus a pretty flat sideways movement on the CCI 150 on the daily. So that's a possible divergence, and I'll mark that as a possibility to keep track of versus those lows there. So that's still a bullish divergence on the daily. And on the hourly, bearish on the ADX, bearish on the CCI 400, and still pretty much a flat movement on the CCI 150, although we're making lower lows on the price. Lastly, we've got the ProShares Ultra Short Bloomberg Natural Gas Fund, KOLD. Again, bullish on the ADX, somewhat bullish or maybe neutral on the CCI 400, and bullish and a divergence on the CCI 150 versus the price on the weekly. On the daily, bullish on the daily ADX, bullish on the CCI 400, and somewhat showing a bearish divergence on the CCI 150 versus those highs there on the daily chart. So I'll keep an eye on that. If this breaks much higher than that point there, then we'll invalidate it, but at the moment it's still in play with a bearish divergence. On the hourly chart, bullish on the ADX 25, bullish on the CCI 400, and you can see there the CCI 150 is still a bearish trend, although it's making some little bit of a movement to the upside in line with the price, but it's still a bearish divergence. And if I move that to there, and if I move that to that high, that's still a bearish divergence on the CCI 150. Economic outlook for natural gas. We've got the storage levels to consider. While currently comfortable, significant withdrawals for winter heating could tighten supply later into the season. And geopolitical concerns, ongoing tensions in Ukraine and potential disruptions to LNG exports could impact global supply and prices. And weather volatility, continued cold snaps could further push prices up, while milder temperatures could bring relief. So again, just overall, the trends are bearish. The support has been broken, which is a very bearish outlook as well, although there is some divergence to look out for a potential retrace to the upside. So if you got value out of the video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.